आग्वाद किल्ल्याक फूड कोर्ट घालपाक परवानो दिला अशी फट पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन खंवटे मारता. थंय बार घालपाक परवानो दिला असो आरोप तृणमूल काँग्रेसीचे फुडारी ट्राजन डिमेलो हाणें केला. मुखेलमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत हांणी ह्या विशीं मध्यस्थी करून हो प्रश्न सुटावो करचो. आग्वाद ही इतिहासीक म्हत्व आशिल्ली जागा. थंय बार घालपाक परवानो दिवप म्हटल्यार सुटके झुजारांच्या बलिदानाक विसरून तांचो अपमान केल्ल्या सारकें थारता अशें ट्राजनान म्हटलां.
See, I have said the tourism minister is a political thug. He doesn't understand. He is only out to make the fastest buck. It is widely, what you call that, reported, and it is condemned that a bar is opened in the sanctity of the freedom fighters who put their sweat, their prayers and their blood to get this independence for this war. And this man says it's a food court when actually a bar license has been given. Therefore I am demanding the chief minister to immediately intervene and prove that he is right by making a statement there is no bar license over there and withdraw it if it is.